Hey guys, as I told you, I have already posted our advertisement project on my blog. First, I wrote a short text explaining how we have worked together, and the last thing is a video I have created to show some of the best posters you have created. I want you to watch this video first, and then I will make some comments about your posters, okay? Okay, now the posters. This first one, the name of the shop is Here We Have Everything, and this was a great poster. You used the vocabulary we were learning in classroom. You wrote using big letters. You just forgot to use the sign that indicates that this is the price of the thing you were selling. But the poster is excellent. It's very good. The next one, MySpace store. The poster was very good, but you did something that was not so good. You used some words in Portuguese, and you used just a few of the words we were working in classroom. Cell phone, notebook, there's a letter missing here, and television. The rest of the objects you were selling, they were not part of the vocabulary we were learning, so this is not quite what I asked you to do. The next one, store department. The words are in the wrong order here, and if you have checked your notebooks, you would know that, okay? You used the vocabulary we were learning in classroom. Excellent. You used a lot of words. You used a lot of pictures. The only thing that I think is not so good, you should have written in bigger letters. Okay. For example, here, books. We can't read it very well if we are far away from the poster, okay, ball. So if you have written it bigger than it is here, it would have been better. The next one, store shopping. I loved the idea of dividing the store in 3 different sections, but again, you should have written in bigger letters, because it's even worse than the other one, you see? A person who wants to buy, he or she needs to see it far from the place where he or she is. So the next one, you would have to write in bigger letters. And you should have explored a little bit more the vocabulary you learned in classroom, okay? The next one, my store. For me, this is the perfect poster. You wrote using big letters, you chose big pictures, you wrote the price for everything, and you explored a lot of words we were studying in the classroom. This, for me, was the best one. The next one. This was another excellent poster. The group divided into sections: TVs, cameras, cell phone, computers. These objects were all objects we were learning in classroom, but you wrote a lot of things in Portuguese, okay? Lojas, you know how is lojas in English. This one, funcionários, the idea of having funcionários and put it on the poster of your store was excellent, but you should have written it in English. And here, again, you should have searched how to write it in English. This is the last one, so I'm not going to talk about all the posters you have created in classroom, because the mistakes you did were basically the same. I have made my comments here about these posters that you just saw, okay?